In this video, I will share with you top 3 best gaming laptops under $1,000 in 2024. In the realm of PC gaming, not every enthusiast possesses the financial means to splurge on a high-end gaming laptop. Fortunately, there exists a plethora of exceptional budget-friendly options. Modern budget gaming laptops are equipped with surprisingly capable CPUs and GPUs. While you may need to compromise on certain ultra-graphics settings to achieve a smooth 60 FPS experience, the overall gaming experience remains enjoyable. Number 1. Asus TUF Gaming A15. The Asus TUF Gaming A15 stands as the epitome of a value-for-money gaming laptop. It boasts a robust chassis, a vibrant display, and powerful hardware that effortlessly handles modern games at 1080p resolution. Furthermore, the A15's battery life is remarkably long for a gaming laptop, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions. Number 2. Acer Nitro 5. The Acer Nitro 5 is another excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers. It features a sleek design, a responsive keyboard, and a capable graphics card that can handle most modern titles at medium to high settings. Additionally, the Nitro 5's upgradability options make it a future-proof investment. Number 3. Lenovo Legion 5. The Lenovo Legion 5 is a well-rounded gaming laptop that offers a balance of performance, features, and price. It sports a powerful processor, a dedicated graphics card, and a crisp display that delivers immersive visuals. The Legion 5 also excels in terms of thermals, keeping the laptop cool even under demanding workloads. These 3 gaming laptops offer exceptional performance and value for their price point. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive esports enthusiast, these machines will deliver an enjoyable gaming experience without breaking the bank.